Hi, I'm Kaden and I'm a cocktail creator based out of Chicago. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a quick and simple Cosmopolitan cocktail. You're going to start with a shaker. And first, you're going to add an ounce of vodka. Next, you'll add an ounce of triple sec, or any orange liqueur that you have. Next, we're going to add 2 ounces of cranberry juice. Then, take a lime, cut it in half the lime to your shaker. You're going to add just 1 ice cube and shake. Before we pour, we're going to add a lemon wedge as the garnish. Now pour your mixture into a standard martini glass. And there you have a quick and easy Cosmopolitan. If you want to take a full class with me, sign up on Amphy today. Cheers!